Hello children, in my previous lesson I think you can remember that I told you I will teach you how to make a duster, right? This you need your parents help to tie the duster, tie the papers and all. You have to make the duster, you have to tie the papers with the rope. That of course you won't be able to do because you are small. So you need your elder sister or a brother or your father or somebody to help you. Okay, this to make a duster, I want you to have, I told yesterday earlier, we need a stick, we need some paper strips what we made and a rope, right? Now first you take the stick and slowly keep all the papers like this. Slowly keep it here. Your parents can help you to make this duster. Okay, this you can use for, and your parents, your mother especially, can use this to dust the chairs, dust your toys, and dust your settees and everything. She can use this because you made it, so she will be very happy to use this, something that you made it for her. No? So this very useful duster without throwing is nice for you to make something, right? Now here, now the stick. Okay, we'll collect all the papers. Now I made it earlier. I think you also have. All the papers are here. Now strips, paper strips. When you are free, you can take a newspaper and tear the papers. And to have good hand control, we did this. Can you remember? We used the scissors also once. So those papers are also here. All the papers we can use, right? Always after working, you must clean your table and the place where you work. Otherwise, it won't be nice. After doing all the work, we must learn to keep the place clean and tidy, right? Here. And you can sing a song also while doing it. Bits of paper, lying on the ground, lying on the ground, makes a place untidy, makes a place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. So, without putting it everywhere, then your mother will be very happy if you clean the place after working. Right here, I use all the papers. There's nothing here. Here the rope. Now I am going to tie it. So one of your parents or an elder person can help to tie it. Okay. Now here, look. Carefully, you can tie it very tightly. Then you can use this for as a duster. Without buying. How good now? When you are making this for your mother, then the mother can use this to duster the chairs, duster the tables when she is sweeping the house. This is a homemade duster. So she can use this. So she will be very happy when you make this for her. And this here is a duster. somebody will be able to tie this for you. Okay, now this is my duster, right? All the papers here we can dust here. Can dust the chairs, can dust the here, can dust the table, here a duster. And the song also you learn there. Bits of paper, lying on the ground, lying on the ground, makes a place untidy, makes a place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. There's no dirty papers. I have been put everywhere. See, the place is very clean. My work is over. I made a duster. It's a duster. Here, here, can dust. Here, your mother will be very happy. You throw all the papers and she can help you to make a duster. Okay. Okay, thank you for listening, children. I hope you enjoy this lesson and you can learn the song without dirty the house. It's nice for you to clean the place after working. Okay, thank you for listening.